Every time we open a new project with Dibac, the interface appears with some styles and values applied by default. In order to change these default values, we have to save a new template and then assign it to the program. To do this, I'm going to change some of the default styles and values. For example, I'm going to change the color, the line style, and the line width. In addition, I'm going to change the default scale and the dimension style. After changing these options, I have to save this empty file. For this, I go to File, Save As, and go to the directory of Dibac to make sure the template always remains in the same folder, although you could save it in a different folder if you want to. This directory is in the local disk, Program Data, and Dibac 6. Open this folder and name the template. And now, before saving this file, it's recommended to select the original extension format of Dibac, which is the VDML format. Now I can press the Save button. To assign the new template, go to Tools, Preferences, and in the General tab, go to Template for New Drawings. I have to click on this button to locate the template file I've just saved. Once I have assigned the new template, I can open a new file to check that the new drawings open with the new template.